Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to estimate square roots that fall between two integers. This is a fundamental skill in algebra that helps us understand the value of irrational numbers. To begin, we must recognize our anchor points, the perfect squares. When we multiply an integer by itself, like 1 times 1 or 2 times 2, we get a perfect square. 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25 are numbers you should memorize, as they act as the milestones on our map. But what happens when we encounter a number like 10 or 32? These are not perfect squares. Their square roots are irrational numbers, meaning they are decimals that go on forever without repeating. We cannot find their exact value easily, but we can estimate their location. Here is our strategy. We will sandwich our target number between two perfect squares. We find the perfect square just below our number and the perfect square just above our number. Our answer will be between the square roots of those two numbers. Let's look at this on a number line. The integers 1, 2, 3, and 4 align perfectly with the square roots of 1, 4, 9, and 16. If we want to find the square root of a number between 9 and 16, the value must physically sit between the integers 3 and 4. Let's try an example with the square root of 10. We need to find its neighbors. Looking at our list of perfect squares, we know that 9 is smaller than 10, and 16 is larger than 10. So, we set up our boundaries using the square root of 9 and the square root of 16. Now we translate those boundaries into integers. The square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, the square root of 10 must be a value greater than 3, but less than 4. We can get even more precise. Notice that 10 is only 1 unit away from 9, but it is 6 units away from 16. Because 10 is much closer to 9, its square root will be much closer to 3. A good estimate would be 3.1 or 3.2. Let's look at a larger number, the square root of 55. The nearest perfect square below it is 49, which is 7 squared. The nearest perfect square above it is 64, which is 8 squared. So, the square root of 55 lies between 7 and 8. To summarize, first, identify the perfect squares that surround your target number. Second, convert those perfect squares into their integer roots. And finally, use the distance between the numbers to decide which integer your result is closer to.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.